Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to grow and sell potatoes from your very own garden. Stick around till the end and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's dive straight in. Potatoes are one of the easiest and most rewarding crops to grow. First things first, you'll need some seed potatoes. These aren't your regular grocery store potatoes. You can get seed potatoes from any garden centre or online. Now, let's talk about soil. Potatoes thrive in well-draining, loose soil. Mix in some compost to enrich the soil. You want it to be nice and crumbly. Next, find a sunny spot in your garden. Potatoes need at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Dig trenches about 4 inches deep and space them 12 inches apart. Place your seed potatoes about a foot apart in the trench. Cover them with soil, but don't pack it down too hard. Water them well and keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. As the plants grow, you'll need to hill up the soil around the stems. This means adding more soil around the base of the plants to ensure the potatoes are covered. This prevents them from turning green and toxic. In about 10-12 weeks, your plants will start to flower. This is a sign that the tubers are forming underground. You can harvest baby potatoes soon after the flowers bloom. But for larger potatoes, wait until the foliage dies back. To harvest, gently dig around the base of the plant with a fork or shovel. Lift the plant and shake off the soil. You'll find your beautiful potatoes ready for picking. Now let's talk about selling your potatoes. First, make sure they're clean and free from damage. Packaging them in small, attractive bags can make them more appealing to buyers. Visit your local farmers market or check out community boards to find potential buyers. You could even set up a small stand in your neighbourhood. Remember to advertise your produce as homegrown and organic if you've avoided using chemicals. And there you have it. Growing and selling potatoes can be a fun and profitable hobby. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.